Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll take an honest, in-depth look at Dfndr Vault's cloud storage service. Whether you're completely new to cloud storage or just looking for an upgrade, I'm here to give you all the details. In simple language, let's start by covering what Dfndr Vault is. Dfndr Vault is a secure, cloud-based storage solution designed for individuals and businesses looking for reliable storage that's easy to use. What's particularly interesting is its lifetime storage option, a unique offering compared to other providers that often require yearly or monthly subscriptions. With Dfndr Vault, you can buy 10 terabytes of cloud storage once, and it's yours to use forever, no annual fees. Now, let's get into the details. First, the interface. Dfndr Vault offers a simple, user-friendly platform with an organized layout, making it easy to navigate even if you're not tech-savvy. You can quickly upload files, organize them into folders, and access them whenever you want from any device with internet access. Next up is security, a huge factor for anyone using cloud storage. Dfndr Vault prioritizes data security with advanced encryption to keep your files safe. This means your data is protected from unauthorized access, making it suitable for sensitive files like personal documents, photos, and more. In terms of accessibility, Dfndr Vault works on multiple devices. Whether you're on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone, you can view and download your files without hassle. It's compatible with major operating systems, so whether you're on Windows, macOS, or mobile, you'll have a smooth experience. Now, let's talk about one of the main reasons people choose Dfndr Vault: the pricing. Unlike subscription-based storage providers, Dfndr Vault offers a one-time payment for 10 terabytes of storage. This can be a cost-effective solution if you plan to use the storage long-term, as you avoid recurring payments. For a quick recap on what makes Dfndr Vault stand out: user-friendly interface, strong security features, device compatibility, and a unique lifetime storage plan that sets it apart from typical cloud storage services. Quick note: if you're interested in buying 10 terabytes of cloud storage with no annual subscription, check out the link in the video description. To sum up, Dfndr Vault offers a robust and convenient cloud storage solution with some unique perks, particularly its lifetime storage option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews and give a thumbs up if you found this helpful.